Hello. Today let's look at how to use the where clause in SQL database. So for this tutorial, we are going to use this example. So we are using this table, this customer table. So the field include customer ID, first name, last name, and date of birth. And we have inserted these values. So the first customer ID is 11, the next one is 12, the next one is 15, and the first name for this customer is this, the last name is this. So let's look at how to use the where clause. So you type the select, then the field that you want to select. So you want to select first name, then you bring the comma, you bring the last name. So from we are selecting two fields from this table, first name and last name. From you bring the word keyword from, then the name of the table, customer. Then this is where you bring the condition, where customer ID. Customer ID. So if you want to select this customer ID 12, you type where customer ID equal to 12. And let's look at the information. Customer with ID appear Sarah with date of birth. Let's run it. So the syntax is select, then the field or the columns that you want to select. This is the first field, comma, first name, last name, from customer. That's the name of the table. Where so we want to apply the condition here, customer ID is equal to 12. So let's run it. So you see that will bring first name, last name, and the first name is what? Sarah, and the last name is Appear. So if you want to use a different customer ID, so let's pick this customer ID 15. Let's run it. So you see that it will bring what? Sophia Appear. That is customer ID 15. So this is how to use the where clause in MySQL. So you bring the select, then you type the fields that you want to select. Then you bring from, then the table name, where, then you bring the condition. You can use customer ID, or if you want to use maybe first name. So where first name equal to, so first name is equal to Sophia. First name is equal to Sophia. So we are picking this, we are using this first name. So let's run it. So let's run it. So the same data will come. But here the where clause, we use what first name. So you can use any of the four to select it. Thank you very much.